music. We have different types of music, but this is one that's been around hundreds of years. What are some of the instruments you see that we're using? What's the main instrument we're using? You with the whale, Your help singing this song, okay? Cesar Sebre, in Puerto Rico we speak different languages, but languages, how many of you know more than one language? Look at all these people, so many people that make Cesar Sebre, háblamelo, Cesar Sebre, Cesar Sebre. Sing with them, with Melody and Carol. Awesome. My name is Héctor Luis Rivera Ortiz Cintrón Vázquez de Jesús Torres Rodríguez de Jesús. Who can remember those names? You follow them. No termina bien. Hey. No termina bien. Otra más. Empezando bien. No termina bien. Yeah. Tayel Bula. Bula means drum. Who likes the drum? Yeah, a lot of people love the drum. It's one of the most famous instruments. You just pass by one and you want to go like this, right? And so we love the drum too. We're playing a type of drum called barril. Over there. And so we're going to share some of this music with you all. It comes from a place called Puerto Rico. Can you say Puerto, just like I say, like that? Puerto Rico. Can you say that? Awesome. Yes, that means rich port. And there's a lot of rich. Nubes, güey. Maraca. César Ferrer. César Ferrer. César sé que soy libre, ya tú ves, ya tú ves.
Yo lo sé, yo lo sé, yo lo sé que soy libre, ya tú ves.
Yo no sé que yo soy libre de cabeza a los pies. Yo lo sé que soy libre, ya tú ves, ya tú ves.
Yo lo sé que soy libre, ya tú ves.
Todo termina bien cuando empezamos bien. Ando bien, todo termina bien. Todo termina bien, oye, cuando empezamos bien. ¿Cómo es? A la vez cuando ya gozando. Pídele piquete, oye, pídele bien. Empezando bien, todo termina bien. Todo termina bien, empezando bien. All right, after him, you can put it over here. Ready? Yes, I can play the drum. I can play the drum. Yeah! High five, high five. Who's next? There you go. Who's next?
If you want to put it on, you gotta get up there.
Here. Okay. All right, I need your help. Some of you have maracas, but if you don't have a maraca, especially some of the staff and adults, you can help us this way. Let's go faster now, ready? Que la bomba sí te va a gustar. Calladito. YOLO, not yet, all right? After me. You follow them, watch. Yo lo sé, not yet. Yo lo sé que soy libre, ya tú ves. Now.
Yo lo sé, yo lo sé,
Yo lo sé que soy libre, ya tú ves. So the whole thing is, let's do it in parts. Yo lo sé. Yo lo sé. Oh, again. Yo lo sé. Que soy libre. Ya tú ves. But we say Denise, who's playing drum here, the lead drum, and melody are communicating. So let's see how this works. Ooh, you saw that? We write songs about when my son was born, when he started school. Maybe another song? We're gonna sing a bunch of songs, and we might even ask you to dance. Are you ready to move your bodies? Yes, I see you. Okay. Let me see. So we write songs about anything. Anyone who has a voice can write a story, can write a poem, and can write a song. Or can say a song and say a story and share a story. Wow, we just wrote a song about piñas. That's another way of saying pineapples. One more. I need another subject to write a song about. A dog? A dog. Ready? But you have to sing it with me. It's called call and response. I sing and then you respond. Wow, 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 dice, wow, wow, wow. That's it. Wow, 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 dice el perrito. Woof, woof. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 dice el perrito. Wow, wow, wow. 3. Yes, they felt you from all the way over here. And Puerto Rico's on the other side of the country. How many miles away you think it is? 15? 7? A million? How about over there? How many miles away? 18? It's like 3,500 miles away. Y'all know speak Spanish? Yo lo sé. So, thank you. So I'm gonna sing this. The whole chorus is yo. A little bit long, but do your best. Sometimes when I'm singing up here, sometimes I just go la 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 la, because I don't know the exact words, okay?